Are you looking for the best travel coffee makers? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best travel coffee makers on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Elite Gourmet EHC 113M Personal Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Elite Gourmet EHC 113M Personal Single Serve Coffee Maker is a stylish and compact 600-watt coffee maker that brews up to 14 ounces of hot and freshly brewed coffee in under 60 seconds. It features a universal design and waste-reducing 14 ounces stainless steel No. 304 interior insulated travel mug, a removable and reusable filter for use with coffee grounds and loose leaf tea, and an easy one-touch operation. Customers love the light turquoise color, the steel tumbler, and the convenience of the machine, but some have noted that the coffee isn't as hot as they'd like and cools off quickly. What we like: stylish and compact 600-watt coffee maker. Brews up to 14 ounces of hot and freshly brewed coffee in under 60 seconds. Universal design and waste-reducing 14 ounces stainless steel No. 304 interior insulated travel mug. Removable and reusable filter for use with coffee grounds and loose leaf tea. Easy one-touch operation. Number 2. Elite Gourmet EHC 111A Personal Single Serve Coffee Maker. The Elite Gourmet EHC 111A Personal Single Serve Coffee Maker is a great choice for busy mornings. It brews a cup of coffee in under 60 seconds and comes with a 14 ounces No. 304 stainless steel interior and exterior insulated travel mug. It has a one-touch operation and is compatible with coffee grounds and loose leaf tea. It also features a removable and reusable filter, auto shut-off and a thermal reset switch for safety. The compact, lightweight design makes it perfect for portability and small spaces. What we like: brews coffee in under 60 seconds. Universal design and waste-reducing. One-touch operation. Compatible with coffee grounds and loose leaf tea. Safety features. Number 3. Elite Gourmet EHC 113 Compact Coffee Maker. The Elite Gourmet Compact Coffee Maker is a must-have for coffee lovers. With a quick instant brew time of under 60 seconds, you can enjoy freshly brewed coffee at home or on the go. The one-touch operation makes it easy to use, and the compact design allows for easy storage in small spaces. The included 14 ounces stainless steel travel mug fits under most cup holders, making it perfect for on-the-go mornings. Additionally, it comes with a removable and reusable filter for use with coffee grounds or loose leaf tea, eliminating the need for paper filters. Safety features such as auto shut-off and a thermal reset switch ensure that you can enjoy your coffee without any worries. Overall, the Elite Gourmet Compact Coffee Maker is a convenient and efficient way to enjoy your favorite coffee. What we like: quick instant brew time. One-touch operation. Compact and portable design. Includes reusable filter and travel mug. Safety features. Number 4. Aeropress Go, Portable Travel Coffee Press Kit. The Aeropress Go is the perfect travel companion for coffee lovers. This portable coffee maker brews smooth, delicious coffee without bitterness or grit in just a minute. It includes a handy mug and lid that double as a traveling case, making it perfect for the office, traveling, camping, boating and more. With the Aeropress Go, you have total control over your coffee, allowing you to choose to brew hot coffee or espresso, or use cold water to make cold brew in 2 minutes. It's easy to use, and materials used in Aeropress coffee makers are free of BPA and phthalates. What we like: portable and easy to use. Brews smooth, delicious coffee without bitterness or grit. Can make 1 to 3 servings of espresso-style coffee. Includes a handy mug and lid that double as a traveling case. Materials used are free of BPA and phthalates. Number 5. FinalPress Portable Coffee Maker. The FinalPress Coffee Maker is your go-to solution for brewing rich coffee and tea on the go. With its patented plunger system, you can easily control the brewing process for maximum flavor extraction, whether you prefer hot, iced, or cold beverages. Enjoy the convenience of brewing in just 2 minutes, making it perfect for busy mornings or outdoor adventures. Its compact, collapsible design fits right in your pocket, eliminating the need for bulky equipment or paper filters. Simply add your favorite grounds, stir, and press for a hassle-free experience. What we like. Quick brewing time. Portable and collapsible. Easy to clean. No filters needed.